It is June 26th, 2011. This is the second fire that's erupted around Santa Fe. This is northwest by Los Alamos National Labs. And there's this huge plume of smoke. It's going kind of east. And then this is the smoke over here. This is not rain. This is smoke from the fire that is actually in the Santa Fe National Forest. It looks a lot more ominous than it does on the video, but dark gray smoke. No.
I've never been near a wildfire, so. Hey, where are you?
So there's a line above this fire in the cloud.
And you should have stepped by, because that's what I was going to tell you to do. I was